Hari Om friends, let's understand the different stages of concentration as well as some obstacles a seeker faces in the path of spiritual evolution. There are four stages in concentration. Number one is attention. Attention, you're able to focus on a particular act right now, meaning your mind is where your body is. Your body could be in a place right now, but the mind might have gone to some other place. The first stage in concentration is attention. Then contemplation, where you're able to, fact that you have given the attention, you're able to think, you're able to reflect, you're able to understand, contemplate on what you're focused upon. That's the second stage in concentration, which requires further effort. Attention requires effort, contemplation requires more effort. Next, the third stage is abstraction, meaning you're able to extricate your mind from the preoccupations it has with the past worries, the future anxieties, or the present excitement. Abstraction is a stage where, because of attention and contemplation, you're able to extricate yourself from the unnecessary dissipating energies of your past worries, future anxieties, or the present excitement. Abstraction. And the fourth stage is the oneness, where you're able to, having abstained from all these dissipating sources, there is enough attention, there is proper contemplation, oneness, the last stage where you're able to subside your ego, where you're able to dissolve your ego for that period of time. As a result, you're fully absorbing that experience. That is why my guru always used to say, meditation is concentrated concentration. You need general concentration for a certain level of productivity. Meditation is the highest spiritual practice. You need enormous amount of focus. You need initial stages attention, then contemplation, then abstraction, and then that oneness where anything you take up, you're fully into it. There is no diversion, there is no dissipation, there is no distraction. As a result, you're able to become whatever you take up to. So this is the different stages of concentration. And there are some obstacles to meditation, for obstacles to concentration. As I mentioned before, the mind could be full of these unfulfilled desires. Therefore, there's a lot of mental agitations. Mental agitations prevents you from concentrating. Another is, it could be the sitting posture. You may not be able to sit in Padmasana because of various physical ailments as such. You could have that issue. It prevents you from concentrating. Then for some people is rigidity in their thinking. They say, I don't prefer this deity, I don't want to chant this mantra. So you are rigid in your thinking, and these are all the general obstacles. And for some people, the eagerness to meditate prevents them from meditation. They're too eager to meditate, they can't meditate. So got to be watchful. Anything forced is never forceful. You force your mind to meditate, may not happen. So think about it, be cautious, but develop this sense of concentration. It will work in your general life, but in the spiritual path, it helps you immensely. Think about it. Namaskar.